Ready?
Here is liver. Do you not like liver?
Do you like it, bud? I made it just for you.
What do you think?
No?
You're not sure about the liver?
What do you think?
Honey, not such big bites.
Well, only half of it goes in, and well, most of it's now coming out.
I don't think he likes it.
You don't like it? Do you want to try one more? What do you think? Am I going to have to quick defrost something else? Try a little more?
Mmm. Liver.
Liver. It's good for you. It's not very good for that bib.
Ugh, for Christ's sakes, why don't we just give him kale?